Hey guys, welcome back to Darren's Travel. So as you guys know, I've been trying to put a little better quality videos out. So I went and bought me a few things over the weekend to do that for you guys, and I'm gonna unbox them for you guys. So
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I got this HD camcorder here to do some better videos, and it also takes pictures as well. So let's looks like we got a little booklet I'm gonna have to read up, and came with a remote, pretty cool. It's got a looks like it's got a little carrying bag here. That's nice to have. Keep it protected so it don't get damaged. AV cord. There's the TV. Must be a charger cord, and looks like a HDMI cord to hook it up to the TV. Here's the battery for it. And let's check out the good stuff here, huh? Shall we? Let's see. I also bought some new ring lights over the weekend too. So let's check this dude out. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Got a little hand grip. Pretty nice. Ooh, got a nice little screen there. Oh, and it does rotate, so you can take a selfie. See, I can be like, hey, how's it going, guys? What's up? Pretty nice little camera here. I'll be using this thing a lot. Got power, light, menu, mode, display, zoom button. I'm assuming that's a power button, or that's a power button. I'm not sure, but that's pretty nice. Little HD camcorder. I'll be using that dude a lot. Okay, and now for my favorite one, a drone. The drone. So it's a Holy Stone HS360. Does live videos. It's a HD 1080p camera. I mean, it's no DJI Maverick, but for me being a beginner, this is perfect, and it'll do everything I need, you know. So let's get this dude unboxed and check it out. Ooh, fancy. So looks like here's the controller. Looks like it's pretty basic. This be the antennas. Looks like there's a holder where you put your phone in so you can watch yourself while you're in flight. Pretty good quality. And like here's the drone. So it looks like the gimbal is stationary. Oh no, it moves. I'm not sure if it moves, if I can move it during flight or not, but there's the camera on it. Looks like a car, doesn't it? Looks like an old classic car in the front. So, pop the blades out. I mean, like I said, it's no DJI Maverick or nothing. But it looks like it's pretty decent quality though. I mean, it's supposed to have a 1080p camera on it, so we'll check it out. I'm not sure what goes there. That must be where the batteries go. See what else kind of goodies we got. Yep. So there's a, oh wow. Came with 2 batteries. That's nice to have. Really nice to have. 2 batteries. Caution for the batteries. Ooh. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3 new blades, because God knows I'm going to need those, because I'm probably going to crash this dude. And you guys are probably going to witness it. Let's see, I don't know what this thing is. What's this? So, oh, it's a blade changer. So it even came with a tool for the blade. That's nice. And a much needed book of it to operate it, because I had no idea how to operate it. Like I said, this is going to be good for doing the videos, and also, you know, I've never flew a drone before, so this one here should be good for a starter. Alright guys, so what do you say we go outside and try to fly this dude and see how bad I can destroy it on the first go. You get to witness it, and wish me luck. Hey guys, welcome back to Darren's Travel. I found me a nice little spot out here in the country to do this test flight on the drone, so how about we go do it, and let's hope and pray that I don't crash it. And also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, click that bell, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys.